There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword yield. Hello, Python explorers. Today we delve into a keyword that transforms functions into generators, yield. This powerful feature of Python opens up new possibilities for managing data sequences in a memory-efficient way. Join us as we unlock the potential of yield. In Python, yield is used within a function to make it a generator. Unlike a return statement that terminates a function entirely, yield provides a value to the code looping over the generator and pauses the function's execution, maintaining its state for subsequent calls. Why yield? Imagine working with massive data sets or sequences where holding everything in memory is impractical. Yield allows your functions to produce items one at a time, and only when needed, dramatically reducing memory overhead. The yield keyword shines in scenarios requiring lazy evaluation, where you generate each item only at the moment of iteration. This can be crucial for reading large files, generating infinite sequences, or dealing with real-time data streams efficiently. Let's demonstrate the use of yield with a simple example. In this code snippet, we define a countdown generator function that yields numbers from a specified number down to 1. Each iteration of the for loop calls the generator, which resumes execution right after the yield, counting down one number at a time. And there you have it, the yield keyword, a gateway to creating efficient and memory-friendly generators in Python. By leveraging yield, you can handle data sequences with elegance and efficiency. Continue to innovate and optimize your Python code with us. For more insights and tutorials, make sure to subscribe.